So, I'm not going to waste any time. WWDC is almost upon us. And I want to go through some of the things I'm hoping for in regards to announcements for the iPad Pro and maybe AirPods. I'm going to focus mainly on the iPad Pro. So there's one thing we need as iPad Pro users. It's a simple thing, but hopefully Apple can do this for us, man. All we really need is basically for monitors to work in the same way as it does on the Mac. External monitors, I mean. So when you plug in that USB-C cable, it just has to get rid of those black bars and just let us just have like all the real estate. That's what we need, because it's killing the iPad for me a little bit, because for it to really replace everything, we just need to get past these 4 bars, and also it needs to be able to extend the display and not just mirror the display. Once we do that, in combination with the Magic Keyboard, I think that's it. The iPad is ready. It's ready to replace the laptop. It's ready to replace the Mac. We like the fanless design. So look, we're gonna be able to do this, I think. So what I don't want to see at WWDC is a new iPad. It goes without saying, I just bought the 2020 iPad less than 2 weeks ago at this point. So I definitely don't want to see a new iPad Pro. Hopefully they just keep that for 2021 or 2022 or whenever, because your boy's gonna be hurt. In terms of AirPods, I just bought AirPods too, so I don't want them to release another one. But to be fair with AirPods, I don't mind too much with AirPods, because my experience with these ones has been pretty good anyway. So whether they want to release another one or not doesn't really make too much difference to me. The sound is sound, and it's all good. Probably all they're gonna do is just release new colors anyway, if we're honest. Outside of that, WWDC, I just want to see if there's gonna be any surprises for Apple. External monitor support for the iPad Pro. Just do it. Please, just do it.